బేగంపేట్ రసూల్పురాలో డ్రగ్స్ కు నో చెప్పండి అనే నినాదంతో స్వయం పోషణను అందిస్తూనే క్రీడలను కొనసాగించడానికి వైకల్యత ఉన్న వ్యక్తులకు సహాయపడే ఆదిత్య ఫౌండేషన్ సంస్థ గోకర్ణ వరకు కొనసాగే ఇన్ఫినిటీ రైడ్ యొక్క 7వ ఎడిషన్ 2021లో నిర్వహించింది. హైదరాబాద్ నుంచి గోకర్ణ వరకు 6 రోజుల బైక్ ర్యాలీని గవర్నర్ తమిళిసై సౌందరరాజన్ జెండా ఊపి ప్రారంభించారు. ప్రముఖ ఎంటర్‌ప్రెన్యూర్ శిల్పారెడ్డి, శోభు యార్లగడ్డ, ఎస్కే జోషి, ఆదిత్య వ్యవస్థాపకుడు ఆదిత్య మెహతాలు పాల్గొన్నారు.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
I now request Mr. Shobhu Yarlagadda, trustee of AMF, to give us a welcome speech. He is the co-founder and CEO of Art.
Good morning, everyone. Respected dignitaries of the dais, and our para-athletes, the press, friends and family. It's really a pleasure to be here. Aditya Mehta Foundation has, since 2013 has been doing commendable work with the para-athletes, and today is the 7th edition of the Infinity Ride that they conduct annually, and it's from Hyderabad to Gokarna. On this special occasion of the flag off ceremony, I take pleasure in welcoming Honorable Chief Guest Srimati Dr. Tamilisai Soundararajan, Governor of Telangana State and Lieutenant Governor.
Thank you, ma'am.
చేపట్టుకో చేదేనా చేది మేడం 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 బ్రదర్ బ్యాక్ బ్యాక్ ఓకే 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 ఓకే
From Hyderabad to Gokarna, 60 kilometers.
There you go. All the best. All the best.
ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్
All the best. All the best. All the best. All the best. All the best.
Can I start? Yeah, start. Push.
Coordination. Actually, they are challenging with the good coordination. So then other persons. It's a great idea.
A very, very good morning to all of you. It's wonderful to be here this morning. Honorable Governor, Her Excellency Tamil Sai Soundararajan Garu, Namaskaram, and thank you for being here. Tangalkum, Tanga Kudumbar Puttanda Nalvarthukal. S.K. Joshi ji, Jitendra Goyal ji, and Mukta Ashok Jain ji, thank you so much for being here this morning, and of course my friends Shobhu and Shilpa. It's always inspiring to be here, from able-bodied to see a disabled body to push boundaries that we ourselves can't accomplish in our regular days. You inspire us. This year, I did something that I thought I could never do, which is cycle, first of all, in these roads here. Forget cycling, I did 100 kilometers to raise money for Aditya Mehta Foundation, and we exceeded the amount that we wanted to raise. So I want to thank all my friends and donors during that crazy 1,000-kilometer ride. Only Aditya can do that. And every time you do it, I'm like, how do you do it? But there you go, you accomplish it and show us how beautifully it can be done. And I want to thank Her Excellency Governor Garu, because this is the second time I'm meeting you here. And it gives us a lot of motivation to have people like you come and support a cause like this. Driving here this morning, a story came to my mind. I have to share this. So when Annapurna Studios was built way back in 1976, Akineni Nageshwara Garu tried a lot to get the roads done there because the roads were really bad around that time. And of course, we will not name the government, but whoever it was not really, complying to what his request was. So he said, I'm not going to deal with all of them. He went to the president and invited him for the opening of it. He didn't have to do anything afterwards. The roads from Nagarjuna Circle to Annapurna Studios were laid out beautifully. This morning, driving here, I was like, wow, we should call the governor wherever we're going. These roads are amazing. We tried to complain so many times getting out of here. But it was a beautiful...
Very good morning to you all, and a warm welcome to all the dignitaries on the stage. I'm extremely proud and honored to be associated with AMF as a trustee for many years and excited about this event, Infinity Ride 2021, from Hyderabad to Gokarna, covering a distance of 660 kilometers. So they will be touching, all the riders will start from Hyderabad, touching Mehboob-Nagar, Raichur, Sindanur, Karnataka, Koppal, Hubli, Karnataka, and finally Gokarna in 6 days. This year's ride is the 7th edition of Infinity Ride. Since 2013, we have been helping athletes with disabilities to pursue sports and have won many laurels at national and international arenas. We work closely with all Central Armed Police Forces, and we are proud to say that we were the ones who introduced para sports to CAPE. Also give counseling to push the barriers that you all face. It is with immense satisfaction that we can say that we have helped more than 1,000 para-athletes with various prosthetic and sports equipment, and also sponsorship, scholarship, and financial assistance. We have won more than 120 international medals in various championships. A big round of applause for that. Our theme for this year's ride is, while promoting para sports, is say no to drugs and to adopt children with disability to train them in para sports. The Telangana Police Narcotics Bureau, Control Bureau, Karnataka Police and Indo-Tibetan Border Police has given their approval and will be a part of this ride. The AMF raises funds through this signature fundraising Infinity Ride and enjoys the support of several celebrities. We have one among us today, Lakshmi Manchu, and many others. AMF founder Aditya Mehta is also Indian first ever para cyclist and a Limca Book of World Records holder.
Good morning to each and everyone. I first of all congratulate Shri Aditya Mehta for taking the theme of no to drugs, to drug abuse. And I really congratulate him. Because of that only, when there was a request from Aditya Mehta Foundation to attend this Infinity Ride 2021, which is going to cover 660 kilometers in 6 days. In Tamil, we used to say Parandu Vando, like that we say. So I came flying from the Puducherry and flew from there to attend the program. So really, because we are busy, our Honorable Prime Minister have given an opportunity to Puducherry to celebrate the National Youth Festival there. So we were busy in organizing that. But when the request was from Aditya Mehta, I thought in between I should come, supporting him, because it's the duty of me to support him not only as a governor, as a doctor, because of the theme he has selected here. And my respects to Sri Shobhuji, trustee, AMF and producer of the epic Bahubali movie. So Bahubali movie proved that nothing is impossible. So he's an apt person to come over here and to introduce the theme of drug abuse. I really congratulate your words. And when that enemies are just they became victorious over the enemies, we can be victorious over the drug abuse. And my respects to Sri Miss Lakshmi Manju. I think she has a very good communicative. I think she has a very good communicative skill. And she told, I have to tell one story also on experience, because I wanted to motivate. I want another thing. She wished me in Tamil. For that also I should thank her. And when I went to a tribal village to motivate the tribals to get their vaccination done, some of the people came and told, you have to come. Again you have to come. The next village people came and told, you have to come. Again we expect you coming to our place. So I was very happy. So I asked, you are so much affectionate with me. So you like me so much. The other tribal lady told, no, if you are coming, only officials are coming and seeing us. And these roads are laid and water is there. So long-term pending problems have been solved, because governor is some places, in spite of the development, there are some places like that. And my respect to Shilpa Reddy, she is also continuously supporting, and she's also having a very good communicative skill, and she's regularly supporting like Lakshmi Manju. And she is not only a film actress, and she is not only acting, she is cycling also. So acting cum cycling made her very popular among the youngsters. And I have to tell our word about our S.K. Joshi ji, the advisor to Government of Telangana and the past Chief Secretary, and Equity Calling, his book. I often, because as LG of Puducherry, I have an opportunity to talk with IAS officers. Without fail, I mention all the articles from his book, because it is almost a guide to the bureaucrats. And really, I like it. One day I missed the book. I kept that in Chennai. Then I called him. I got the e-book and then I referred it. So it's really a very supportive book for the bureaucrats, particularly when I want to convey some good message to them, particularly the young IAS. The youngsters use their drug in a wrong way and they get addicted, and that leads to death. So please say no to drugs. And drugs can give you temporary happiness, but permanent illness. Just you can think that we are taking some drug, there is no any harm effects on the body. It affects your mental attitude, it affects your physical attitude, and you become a person with physical illness, you become a person with mental illness, and what all the talents you have, everything engulfed by this bad use of drugs and this bad character. So please say no to drugs. And apart from that, I am very unhappy, some of the youngsters. So please say no to drugs. It's not very simple. Mark Twain says, I quit cigarette. It's very easy to quit cigaretting. I have done for 100 times. So that type of quitting is not necessary. Once for all you should quit. But it is very difficult. I appeal the governments also to open de-addiction center in all the government hospitals. Because there should be a solution. We can advise the youngsters not to use drugs. But what to do with the children who are already addicted to drugs? They are unable to reveal the matter to the parents. They are unable to reveal the matters to the teacher. But we have to save the children. So we must handle them very cautiously. We should not blame them. Without their intention, they have become addicts. So whenever we take a theme like that, the challenges also should be faced. And who are all already addicted, they should be saved from, they should be informed that trap, like a rat trap, this drug has trapped you. It has not helped you, it has trapped you. So the government, the society, the NGOs and social people, particularly celebrities like Lakshmi and celebrities like all the other people here, Shilpa, they have to come.
Please like and share, subscribe to BCN Telugu News.
Please like, share and subscribe to BCN Telugu News.